Hey guys, in today's review, the Renault TREZOR. It has been tested and driven a lot, and by most accounts, it's the world's most beautiful concept car. Today, we're going to take it for a drive. Time to move. So, what's it like? The Renault TREZOR was unveiled at the 2016 Motor Show. I know, it's nothing new. Anyway, it was nothing but a show car back then. But now, you can take a closer look at it, touch it, or even take it for a drive. Now, the dimensions. It's only 1 meter tall. That tall, right? But it's 5 meters long and slightly over 2 meters wide. I'm not sure that this is the right angle for you to judge, but here's a view from above. She's a beauty. It's crazy cool. The TREZOR has a whole bunch of various features and specs, but we're going to tell you about the most curious ones. To begin with, there's no conventional radiator grille here. Why would an all-electric car need it? But there are carbon fiber scoops to aid in brake cooling. Take a look at these taillights right here. They're all little beams of laser fiber running through here. I've got no idea how you're supposed to wash this car. They look incredible close up. Now, the hood. Take a look at this honeycomb texture. Let me read this for you. It represents functional honeycomb-shaped aerodynamic vents that act as air inlets to cool the batteries beneath. This is amazing. Perfect. As long as some insects don't get under the hood. They say that the car handling is really good, as it's got the best weight distribution between the engine and the batteries, just like most modern concept cars have. The gravity center is so low that even at high speed, it grips the road very well, and it won't get wobbly or anything. You've probably noticed that the TREZOR has no conventional doors. To access the interior, you need to do this. What? Guys, we're gonna get into this car right here, right now. According to Renault, getting into the TREZOR is as easy as horse riding. Horse riding? This is how you do it. You sit down right here. Imagine you're holding some shopping bags. Then you put your foot right here. Okay, lean on this thing. Then there's some special floor matting on the floor so it stays clean. Oh my god. It feels amazing. It's like I'm sitting in a spaceship. No, wait. It is a spaceship. Look. See what I mean? Now what do we have here? The console and the steering wheel and the center console are non-operational for now. But look, it's got Skype, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Here's the gearbox. Naturally, it's automatic. They aren't getting into details for now, as it's a show car after all. In order to drive this thing, you'll need to install a specially developed app. You put your phone right here, and it activates the car. You press the start button, and off you go. And here comes the best part. The test drive. Our GoPro camera's on. Let's do this. I can't drive it. There's a specially assigned person to it.
Yes, s'il vous plaît, good to go.
It's moving. Here we go. The top speed is 155 miles per hour. But we're not going to try and reach that today, especially with the roof open. There's lots of room in here, by the way. I mean, you can fit all your friends easily, and you can go party.
Can we close?
Whoa, whoa, watch out. What's going on? Oh, man. Oh, that hurt. Learned my lesson. Yeah, I already know. It's so hyper-futuristic, like a sci-fi movie. And it's fully drivable. This is crazy. And this car is fast. The visibility is low, but the good news is that the windscreen offers you a panoramic view. You see the floor lights? The floor lights are on. Beautiful. We're driving in manual mode, right? The touch screens are activated. Turns out they are operational after all. But the TREZOR is capable of autonomous driving too. And when it's in self-driving mode, the steering wheel is locked and it widens out sideways. Then the car becomes fully drivable.
Do you have music?
No music.
No music?
No. You music. La, 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 la.
Great.
Looks like I'm here to sing some living car stereo. Guys, this was a whole new experience. here we are. Easy. Must be hard for ladies to get in and out of it with a dress on. Remember this when you take a lady for a ride in this car. She better wear a pair of jeans. No skirts or dresses. Guys, this was totally cool. At first, it was all about those crazy cool lights, the design. But now, after the test drive, I'm absolutely in love with it. This was fantastic, fantastic. Thanks for watching the video. The Renault TREZOR is not just another show car. It's fully drivable and absolutely stunning. When you see the interior, you know, with all the red lights around you, it looks hyper futuristic, fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments below. See you. Bye.